Longines joins the growing number of watch brands that have gone back to their back catalogue of heritage models and reimagined them for a new generation of clients. With the reissue of its iconic Pilot Majetek, Longines reclaims its rightful place in the aviation watches space with a timepiece that blends an inspired nod to the past with modern-day aesthetics and superior technical know-how. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this or any other Longines timepiece for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. But for now, keep on watching as we look at this new version of the Longines Pilot Majetek, which is destined to be a hit among watch enthusiasts looking for a vintage-inspired piece that's both suitable for daily wear as well as a weekend packed with adventure. As an authorized retailer of Longines, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large collection of the latest Longines models, including this Longines Pilot Majetek. Explore this timepiece at one of our boutiques in Geneva at Rue du Rhône, Zurich, Bahnhofstrasse at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, or at Kappelplatz in the beautiful city of Lucerne, or visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. Throughout its long and storied history, Longines has quietly built a reputation for creating technically proficient and highly reliable timepieces that are highly appreciated by watch connoisseurs. What many might not know is that one of the brand's most iconic watches is, in fact, a pilot watch called the Pilot Majetek, which was first released in 1935. Designed primarily for the Czechoslovakian Air Force, this model found prominence not only because it was the designated timepiece for pilots, but also for its superior comfort thanks to the watch's curved, cushion-shaped case, along with its utilitarian aesthetics. It is this legacy that the new Pilot Majetek seeks to reintroduce and continue. As a full-fledged aviator watch, legibility is at the core of the new Pilot Majetek. It has a matte black dial to ensure that the numerals pop out and are easy to read, even at the most trying of conditions. This philosophy continues with the hour indicators, white Arabic numerals, and the railway minute markers, both coated with superluminova old radium. Moving across them are a pair of phosphorescent rhodium-tipped baton hands to complete the nighttime legibility of this timepiece. But it's not just its readability that defines the Pilot Majetek. If you look at the 6 o'clock position, you will see an oversized small seconds dial that underlines its aviation legacy, while at the same time creating an aesthetically pleasing, balanced and elegant look. Powering the Pilot Majetek is Longines' very own L893.6 caliber with a magnetic resistant silicon balanced spring. This offers a power reserve of up to 72 hours and drives a COSC-certified chronometer. Housing these elements is a 43mm steel case that harkens back to the original, but with a twist. While it still features the curved cushion shape, the lugs are rounder, offering more comfort, while keeping up with current design sensibilities. Another difference is that the 1935 original featured a fluted bezel that rotates together with the crystal and internal fluorescent triangle marker. In the current version, the fluted bezel remains but rotates only with the triangle marker. The sapphire crystal remains fixed, adding to the Pilot Majetek's water resistance, rating up to 10 bar. Thanks to overall smooth case design, this is a watch that will fit various wrist sizes perfectly. The timeless architecture of the case enables the watch to adapt to various styles and be the ideal companion on any occasion. An interesting detail added to the new version? When you look at the 9 o'clock position, just outside the steel case, you'll see a commemorative plate marked 1935 as a tribute to its original release date. The Pilot Majetek comes available with a 2-stitch strap in brown or green leather. A NATO strap made of recycled polyester fiber is also on offer for more casual wearers and adventurers. The Longines Pilot Majetek is priced at 3,600 Swiss francs and available at Les Ambassadeurs. A versatile timepiece that blends heritage design with contemporary technical innovation, then the Pilot Majetek should be a strong consideration. Aesthetically, it has an understated elegance that appeals to those nostalgic for simpler times. Feature-wise, it builds on Longines' technical expertise while staying true to the values that define a pilot's watch: precise, robust, reliable, and easy to read. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have this timepiece in stock. If you haven't already, visit us at any of our 3 locations in Zurich, Geneva, and Lucerne to discover our collection of Longines timepieces, or visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a timepiece within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. The reissued Longines Pilot Majetek combines the design hallmarks of the original 1935 watch with contemporary touches, resulting in a versatile piece that's perfect for daily wear or weekend adventures. Looking at the latest releases of Longines, what surprised or impressed you the most? And if you would have to describe this watch in one word, what would it be? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other Longines timepiece for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.